Welcome to the Accessories International Tips and Tricks series, where we show you how to get your DMP Android screens running optimally. Now, we are an authorized US dealer, so we are here to answer any of your before or after sales inquiries to get your screens running at their full potential. Now, today we will be addressing the NTG display issue. You head into your NTG menu and you get something weird looking, something along the lines of this, where it doesn't properly display. So how do we fix it? Well, first thing we do, head into the Android menu, head all the way over to the side where we have our settings. Open up our settings, and on the right side you see a series of options. We go down to factory. Now, for most cars, the factory passcode is 190627. If your passcode is different, please feel free to contact us, or if you purchase your screen from us, we have all of those passcodes pre-saved and we'll be able to help you. Now, next thing we do, we head down to car display here on the left hand side. You see we have a series of NTG options. Now, depending on your vehicle's year, make, and model, yours will be different. So you will have to contact us to have the right one chosen. You see we have a lot of different options here. So make sure to give us a call, 786-242-5400, to make sure you get the right one chosen. If not, guys, you can just honestly select the one that looks right and hope that it's right, and you kind of trial and error sort of deal, where you choose one setting, head back to the NTG, and see if that one fixes your problem. So for our specific car, we have a C350. It's a W204 facelift. We use option number 14. Now we head back to our NTG menu, see if that fixes the problem. And yes, it does. Everything looks nice and clean. Everything works properly. And there we go. Now, guys, if you have any questions for us regarding these DMP Android screens, whatever it may be, feel free to contact our team. We're based here in Miami, Florida, and we are more than happy to help. You can reach us at 786-242-5400. Thank you for tuning in today, and we hope this video helps.